Welcome to Aeonix Training. My name is John McAnulty, Tatarant's Global Technical Training Manager. In this short video, I'll demonstrate how to play back and download a recording using the Aeonix Touch. I have my Aeonix Touch for Windows PC open, and I'm looking at my recent calls. Now you can be set up to either record all your calls or some of your calls. As I scroll down in my recent calls, I can see all of the calls that are recorded will have a playback icon. So you can see I have several of those. So I'm going to go back to the first call that's been recorded. And that's with John Isaacs from extension 7237 at 4:31 p.m. I'll click on the playback icon. So I'm going to click once again on the playback icon here. And this will open up the player. And we can see there's a reference number for the call. If I were an ACC agent, it would show the agent ID. It was an incoming call. The extension I answered the call on was 7280. The date and time are shown here. John's extension is 7237. Now, of course, if this was an outside caller, I would see the 10-digit number. And here's the duration of the call. Now I have a choice. I can click on the play button here or on the play button here. And we can see that the call lasted for a total of 47 seconds. I can adjust my volume if I wish. Let's go ahead and play back the call.
Hello, John.
Hey, John. Hey, just curious if you have a few minutes to connect with Lewis. It looks like he might be available now.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Now, there are other options available. If we click on the ellipsis button here, the options I have are to change the playback speed. I can slow down the playback, or I could speed up the playback. The other option is to download the file, and it will download it as an MP3. So if I go into my downloads folder, I can see that file. And if I click on it now, it'll just open up my default media player that I have on my PC.
Hello, John.
Hey, John. Hey, just curious if you have a few...
This demonstration was done using my Windows PC Aeonix Touch. But the same look and feel and options are available on the Aeonix Touch Mobile, whether that be your iPhone or your Android device. The only exception is the mobile device does not have the download option. Thank you very much for attending this short video on how to play back and download a recording using the Aeonix Touch.